Heading out to catch my bus now. It is day 2 of the Dopey challenge. Today is the 10K. It's a little nicer out today, so I'm just wearing my pants and my short sleeve. The humidity is high, but we're gonna have a fun time and go get that Oswald medal. I'm gonna go catch the bus. Just got here. I snoozed my alarms a few times too many this morning. Much nicer day than yesterday. You can tell the heat's starting to come in, which I'm a fan of. Line for Oswald is probably worse than Rise of the Resistance. It's crazy. I'm gonna go drop my gear off a bag check and head to the crowds.
Walt Disney World Marathon Week 10K. Welcome everybody out here. Light clothing and costumes for your race, and ensure any headwear is breathable. And 3, 2, 1. All right, corral in week 1. How are you doing?
Missed the first wave of Corral A by that much.
1 hour.
That's okay.
Who didn't sleep at all?
Or having the start of a wave and the end of a wave.
I don't know how we. Let's do this. Everybody count it down from 3, 2, 1. Miles, by the way.
Miners fan out there, that's okay.
I
like it. Thank you. Oh, very kind.
7:35 first mile. I'm at 15:30 right now. Watch says that was a 7:54 mile. There's the start line over there. Right there. Where it's going. I guess there's like 28 waves today. There goes a wave.
Caution runners, speed bumps ahead.
Mile 3 was 7:51. Roughly 23:21, 3 miles. It's a video, so just keep it going.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. First gear at the stop of the 10K. 3 miles in. About to hit, well, here's the actual 5K marker right here. About to hit Epcot and the World Showcase. Then it's around the boardwalk before we come back in Epcot and finish this thing. 3.1 miles left. There's the official 24:45 today. Let that picture stop. inside Epcot and on the World Showcase. Came in through China today. Note the future, Dylan. A little walk, like the last mile was 9:30. Let's try to keep those going in. 2 miles left. Note the future, Dylan. We'll get that treadmill for the house. The body feels great. The cardio's just not there. Trying to get some fluids back in me. I'm gonna take a little walk here and make sure I get these fluids in me. What a beautiful day. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My GPS watch is way off. It's back there on the other side of America. It said I was at 4 miles. But here's actually the 4 mile marker. 37 minutes for 4 miles. We're taking it extremely easy now. That's amazing. I don't think I could push someone for a 5K, much less he's doing Dopey. This is crazy. The video, can you just keep it going, please?
Oh, just running through.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're good, friend.
Thank you. Here we go. Disney's Yacht Club and Beach Club. 49 minutes on this. That means I'm at 47 minutes for 5 miles. So out here having fun. That's what it's all about. Epcot, ball, spaceship booth. Got a band playing. Right now, what, 52 minutes? Here we go. 10K finish.
Alright, so now let's talk about something really serious. What's the word from back down up?
Looks like roughly about 57 minutes.
You know, so I want to ask you, is your family safe?
Here we go.
Do is, the people here.
Hopefully got that. That'd be cool finish pick.
Bless your country.
I'm gonna get that bling around my neck.
I think it's amazing that you're here and happy birthday,
Thank you.
Carl. All right, give her a
There it is, 10K done. 2 more races to go. Got those electrolytes, they'll not be buying the course. There we go. Time to drink these bad boys up. So good. I'm gonna go get that box of food, bananas, and hit the buses back. They literally put the second sticker over the first sticker. I can't even read this says. Wow. People are still going through. We're gonna be here a long time waiting. Cause it's like mile 2, 2.5. And the last wave of runners probably went off maybe, I don't know, 8 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago now. So just me sitting here waiting for them to clear. It was nicer when you used to go all the way around the back, because then this was open and you could take the buses right away. Our bus has finally arrived. I'm guessing that's actually gonna be our bus because they're planning to load that one first. Time to go to Whispering Canyon Cafe for breakfast. Well, back to Polly then, over the Whispering Canyon. This is it for the 10K. Got that medal. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow is going to be the half marathon.